We are in Izu Peninsula, Izu Hanto, in Shizuoka Prefecture in Japan. You can see some sakura cherry blossoms. It's that season. So we are at a Japanese inn, Ryokan, a luxury one called Arcana Izu. It's different than the typical traditional Japanese ryokans. It's modern and new, and or at least it's modern. I don't know how new it is. It's modern in its architecture, decor, and furnishings. It's an auberge ryokan, meaning that it offers high-end Western-style cuisine with Japanese ingredients. French, to be exact, in this place. So it's well renowned for its food. So we have here our room. It's aptly called the suite. So it's the top category room at Arcana. So let's take a look. So immediately you walk in and you see trees. There's a mountain across the way. There's a living room and a sitting area. And then a closet where all our belongings are. There's a safe box. A little desk. Chessboard, fireplace, you name it. And then there's a living room and a dining room. And so you walk over here. Over here, there's a mini bar with drinks and alcohol complimentary. Walk this way, they give us some treats, a welcome drink and treats, and hot towels. So another view of the living room and dining room from this vantage point. This is the bedroom. And behind the bedroom, yes, that is a onsen hot spring, natural hot springs bath, gensen rotenburo, open air. So over here you can see river and forest, but we'll be able to see that from the onsen. Here is the restroom. 2 sinks. But before we go there, let's turn around and see. Need to have one toilet. Turn back around. So there's a indoor shower in the bath. But we really want to enjoy. Oops, locked. This is the outdoor open air onsen bath. Really nice, surrounded by trees, forest. You have absolute privacy. And you have just nothing but trees beyond. Yep, free-flowing natural onsen, hot springs mineral water. And actually the view of the river is nicer from the living room. As you can see more of it, but I'll show it from here. beyond is just nothing but beautiful forest. Let's go back in. Close the veranda. And let's take a look at the river from the living room. From over here. Right there. So all the rooms have views of the river below and the valley beyond. The suite is a larger room and has the onsen bath in the balcony. Anyways, so this is Arcana Izu in the Izu Peninsula, Shizuoka Prefecture in Japan. Hope you enjoyed it.